Hey guys, I just want to make a video about the new iPhone 7 that just came out. I heard, a lot of people, not with just the regular iPhone 7, but the iPhone 7 Plus as well. A lot of people complaining about a hissing noise coming. And supposedly this happens is if you overwork the phone by having too many apps open at once. It supposedly makes some hissing noise. And it doesn't come out of the speaker. It comes by the Apple logo in the back or the processors, which is extremely strange. Apple should have made sure that all this stuff was working before they sent the phone out to their customers. I mean, now what's going to happen? They're going to have to, recall all these iPhones that people have ordered. It's ridiculous. I don't know. I don't get why these companies are doing that. Like the whole Samsung thing with the battery exploding, and now you have a hissing iPhone. Like, what the fuck? Apple, get your shit together. Make sure your shit works before you send it out. I mean, yeah, I'm probably, going to get a lot of hate for this video, but I don't care. I mean, people spend thousands of dollars on these phones. They spend their hard-earned money on these phones all the time, and there's flaws in them. And it's just not this iPhone. I mean, look at last year's iPhone with the whole Bengate thing that happened. I mean, yeah, these are things that people might, it might not happen to everybody, but it's happening to a significant amount. And from what I heard, a lot of people are having these issues with this hissing sound. So I don't get it. I don't get why these problems are occurring in these phones. Same with the Samsung. I mean, these batteries, these phones are exploding because these batteries, for whatever reason, the batteries are exploding and whatever else. Like, that's stupid. These phone companies should know that us as consumers expect these phones to be perfect. And yeah, there's gonna have flaws in them, and we expect that, we do, but not these major flaws, And so now I think that this is gonna hurt Apple. I think it will. I think a lot of these iPhone and iOS users are gonna be sick and tired of always having to put their money into a company that disappoints them by having problems with their phones. And I mean, will the battery thing hurt Samsung? Yes, it will. So it's going to hurt them on both sides. So this year, right now, like this September isn't a good, seems like this September hasn't been a good month for Samsung or Apple. So I want to let, this is just a little rant that I'm doing, and I want to know what your guys' opinion is. So, drop a like on this video and comment down below. I mean, I probably will get a lot of hate for this video, but I mean, this is an opinion. It's my opinion, and everybody has and is entitled to their own opinion. So, I mean, you don't like it, let me know how you think, alright? If you like these videos, let me know, and I'll continue to make them, alright? Peace.